gonna burn it down.
Hey people, here in this video I'm going to show you how to find the null values in your dataset. For that we need to import the pandas library first. So for that I'm importing pandas as pd. After imported this pandas library, I do have the dataset which is in this folder. So I'm just copying this directory, and for reading the dataset, I'm creating a variable which is df equal to pd dot read underscore csv of within double quotes or single quotes. We need to mention this directory, and along with that data files name which is is underscore na underscore demo is underscore na underscore demo, and our file extension also we need to mention. And as I told before, you need to give 2 slashes here. So now we have our data set in df. By this you can see we have our data set in df. Like to find you have null values or not in your dataset, you just need to give df dot is na of. By giving this, you can see whether you have null values or not in your dataset. If you see false, you can tell you don't have any null values there. But if you see true, then you can say you have null value there in that particular data frame. By this result, we cannot see the middle rows. We can see only head and tail of the data frame. So if you want to check whether you have a null values in each and every particular column, you just give df is our data frame name, df dot is na of dot any. By giving this, you can see this result. In this result, in our name column we don't have any null values, and in gender column also we don't have any null values, but in age column we do have null values. That's why this mentioned here is true. So in surveyed column also we don't have any null values. So if you want to check how many null values you have in your data frame, you just give like df dot is na of dot sum of. By giving this, I can tell in name column we do have 0 null values, and gender 0 null values, and in age column we have, which is 177 rows, we have null values in age column. Out of 891 rows, we do have 177 rows null values in age column. This is the way you need to find the null values in your data frame. In next video, I'm going to show you how to fill those null values with the help of pandas library, and how to drop the null values with the help of same pandas library. So see you all in next video. Thanks so much.